Look at you, little human. Have you looked in the mirror lately? Soft, weak, pathetic. Your ancestors fought tigers with sharp sticks, but you? You get out of breath walking to the refrigerator. What happened to you? I will tell you what happened. Comfort. Comfort is the enemy, and it is killing you. You humans built a safe space, a cage of comfort. You sit in soft chairs that turn your spine into jelly. You eat fake food, poison wrapped in plastic, and you stare at that little glowing rectangle all day, watching other people live their lives. You have forgotten what struggle feels like. In my world, if you are weak, you are food. For orcs, strength is not a hobby, it is survival. We wake up, we hunt, we lift heavy iron. You run from pain, we embrace it. Pain is just weakness leaving the body. That is why my bicep is bigger than your entire head. Listen to Grom. This comfortable life is a slow death. You need to wake up the beast inside you. That beast has been sleeping under layers of donuts and video games for too long. Stop living like a soft human. Start training like an orc. Put down the phone. Pick up something heavy. Lift it until you cannot lift it anymore. And then do one more rep. This is Orc Gains. I am Grom. I am here to make you strong. If you want to stay weak, keep scrolling. But if you want true power, subscribe now. Join the horde. Go lift something now.